I'm sorry. What is going on?
영트의 리액션.
It looks cool.
Hundred. You know what's so cool about like K-pop stands and everything? The gadgets.
You will be hunters. Hunters.
K-pop demon hunters.
Demons have always haunted our world,
Back in time.
stealing our souls and channeling strength back to their king, Kima, until heroes arose to defend us.
Across generations and stuff.
Born with voices that could drive back the darkness.
Holy shit, and it's always three hunters? Yes, okay.
그때 새로운 리액터가 등장하는데
brings people together. First hunters created a shield to protect our world.
They've existed.
Every generation, a new trio of hunters is chosen to fulfill our ultimate duty. We'll create the Golden Honmun.
Yes, Celine.
I'm sorry, this got me smiling because they're so cute.
Yes, Celine.
I love the designs of each character. They're so distinctive and
2차 재사용 규정을 지키기 위해 해석과 해설 나레이션이 있습니다.
Nobody can move like Mira. Apparently, she was the black sheep of her family.
I don't know why, because she's so cool. Who else could wear a sleeping bag to the Mac?
Lady Gaga walked so Mira could run.
She grew up in America.
They all have their own strong personalities.
Passed away when she was an infant, but Celine raised her. Oh, her mom was so nice sister. It's incredible. Like,
It brings us to tears.
concert, and they totally need it, but we're gonna miss it.
They're taking a break to go kill some demons, man.
한편 헌트릭스 전용 비행기 안에서는
The most songs.
Most moves.
Let's go.
The most carb loading.
I love the expressions. They're so expressive already.
Our fans deserve the best.
The art style is pretty cool, actually.
I'm so sorry. What is that face? What is going on?
Oh my.
Oh my god, they're so out there. It's so ridiculous. I love it already.
그리고 먹방과 콘서트를 방해한 악기들을 참교육하는 헌트릭스.
Keep your shirt on, Bobby. We'll be there.
Zoe's face.
Why do they always interrupt our snacking?
Zoe might be my favorite.
What?
그때 도깨비 같은 악기도 등장하고
You got the patterns. Now you gotta die.
The only one dying tonight.
It was actually.
팩트 체크하는 미라.
Dying tonight are your.
So glamorous.
Dying tonight are your.
I'm sorry. What?
Your fans.
Oh my.
Your fans.
No, thank you. Not our fans. When you mess with our fans,
We need to make it hurt. We need to make it hurt.
They're gonna kick ass now, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
Oh, this has so much swag already.
No way. They're gonna.
okay, my favorite is literally Zoe.
No way.
Oh, this has such a. This has the sauce. Gotta do multitasking, you know, cooking, having your food, and then hunting the.
Eating Obia. 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Weapons. No way. Yeah, I gotta admit, man. The 3 of them are. They're fucking those demons up.
Why does it sound so familiar? I'm gonna go crazy.
그렇게 악기들을 참교육하는 헌트릭스.
Yeah, this plane's trashed.
I absolutely love their expressiveness.
Yeah, this plane's trashed.
Eat the ramen. Eat the ramen.
Oh, what?
Damn.
Ooh. Ahora, ahora.
Damn. They literally dropped down.
그렇게 곧장 콘서트장으로 날아가는 세 사람.
They're gonna land in the arena.
That's so.
But does everybody know about demons?
Wait, they don't see that they're killing demons? But they don't care. They're that obsessed with Huntrix. Also, Roomie, she's great. I love the voice.
Oh, yo, she hit that note.
That's good. Oh, the K-pop moves.
Oh, it's doing it.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
The protection.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Damn. Really good intro. The introduction.
I'm gonna download the song.
다음은 진우 등장신입니다.
Who are you? Is that a tiger? I love the voice already.
I like his voice a lot. Okay.
Time for a new strategy. We fight the hunters where they least expect it.
I have chills already. Just by them flying. What the hell?
Very thing that powers the Hunmoon. The fans.
I'm sorry, I got tiny slight bisexual panic right there. Holy shit, I love that design.
Okay, I'm.
Oh, my Felix.
Felix?
그리고 이걸 본 리액묘도 아주 만족합니다.
Oh yeah, totally gonna work. 100%.
다음은 빌보드 핫백 3주째 1위를 하고 있는 골든 리액션입니다.
So much food. Boba tea.
What? No. Hey. Literally just sat down.
Why are you in your new car?
The way she smiles and all so goofy.
Did you announce the new single? No.
Oh, she's done him dirty.
You won't believe this. Let's go promo.
What?
You gotta be kidding me. They just.
Oh, is that the music?
Predicted it.
자체 음소거가 있습니다.
Oh, I like this one. The beat's kind of hot.
I want to know like the full lyrics.
Damn, this is so good. Oh, her family, because she was like the black sheep. See, is that different language?
This is the song I heard.
Oh, it was this one?
I love it already.
Music is great. Oh, that makes sense because remember.
Whatever these girls are doing, they're doing it right.
그리고 루미의 비밀의 외국인들은 충격을 받습니다.
No, she's a demon?
Oh, I see. She's secretly a demon. Oh, okay.
There's no way she's a demon?
Yeah. It wasn't her.
But their voices, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh? You okay?
Oh no.
Yeah, it has to be perfect, right? Oh, I think it's the demon inside of her, like, clashing with her K-pop superstar persona.
Dude, the,
Wait, I'm so confused though. Like
the pressure's on.
악기 문양이 더 커진 걸 확인한 루미.
how she get turned into a demon?
Like, this song was really important to her, I think.
Look, when she was a kid.
Yeah, like, she just had no markings.
Only have those because
My dad was a demon.
Right.
Dad was a demon.
you're not one of them, Rumi. You're a hunter, just like your mother was.
She's a mix.
When the home moon is sealed, all the demons will be gone from this world. So will your patterns.
No, that's a part of you. You cannot deny that part of yourself. Like, wow.
That's legit to me. Yay! That's the spirit.
I love, like, Zoe's, like, so sweet and bubbly, but you know that deep inside she has... I love her.
그렇게 한의원에 간 헌트릭스.
Oh my god, that is intense.
I see.
My God.
I see. I see.
That's horrible.
I see. No, actually, I don't.
It sounds like a dog, like a scared puppy.
Yeah, that's right.
This is wild,
Yeah,
this
it's
film.
mental. It's mental.
2차 재사용 규정을 지키기 위해 해설과 해석 나레이션이 있습니다.
It is the Hajabot.
Oh my gosh. That guy, bro. What? That's the main guy, I think.
They're in love.
Oh my god, really?
Oh my god. I sure can't get any tighter, Jesus Christ.
Of course. That is so ridiculous. I love it.
그렇게 멈춘 외국인은 한참을 바라보다. 그리고 전국을 바라보는데.
I know, I literally have you at home. I have it. There's so many K-pop idols that this could be based off. I know that there's so many good-looking K-pop idols that he could be. But he's given a little bit JK, right? That man is so fine. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at him.
그렇게 정신을 못 차리는 외국인.
Baby, you know that I still love you. Oh no.
Dude, that's totally the band, right? That the demon. These are totally the demons,
no, they're
right?
obviously the demon.
Oh, gross.
I love little like chick flick shows that they fall in love with like characters. I get kind of like I get like this.
No, they're not doing the cake.
그렇게 어깨빵 당한 루미.
I love how, like, they're so glamorous when they're singing and all, and then situations like these, they are the most ridiculous looking expressions, but I love it so much. Oh, you.
Oh.
What the heck?
Watch yourself.
I mean, they're demons.
What a jerk.
Watch yourself.
Whoa.
Watch yourself.
다음은 소다팝 리액션입니다.
I gotta say, apart from the music and the visuals, the expressions of the characters are pretty freaking fun to watch.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
These guys are a boy band?
Girls versus boys. Let's go.
He took one?
Oh, he did. I can't believe they're all demons, though. That sucks.
Oh my goodness. I love it.
They're the most typical group of boys.
It's a moment. 완전 신난 동생과 그렇지 않은 오빠입니다.
Soda pop. Oh my god. Zoe's my Zoe's my favorite. Zoe's actually my favorite.
It's only catchy though. It's infectious.
Don't you hate it?
It's infectious. They can make hearts out of thin air.
Yo, just knocked her down.
Oh my goodness, this is...
We gotta stop this now.
Oh, that's right.
That's
Target
exactly
them
what they-
target them to their fans.
I'm your soda pop. You bet I will.
Saja boys love you.
그렇게 사자보이즈와 전쟁을 준비하는 헌트릭스.
Those are demons, and we're gonna kill them.
That's intense.
Yeah, that's my favorite fit so far.
Kill these guys.
Kill Sacha.
These boys will be done.
Those sound serious. I love them.
하지만 딱 걸려버린 그녀들인데요.
Yeah, he has control. I gotta say, Jinu is playing the game right.
Okay, calm down.
Wait, what the?
It's because it's leather.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, yeah, that sound. Oh, holy. No. Oh. They're going horseback riding there.
Let's go get these guys. We finally get to go to the bathhouse with Roomie.
Did you really follow us in here?
I knew they would. That one's always looking at me.
I hope they fall in love.
그러다 루미의 문양을 본 진우.
Do they? Oh.
Ooh. Yeah, he saw.
Girl, I'm sure they'd be fine with it. Help them out. Hold up.
Bro. Oh? He coming as. Oh, okay, wait.
No. He's a false protector, right? This Jinu. I don't know what to make of this guy. Ooh. Let's go. She was so afraid for a second they would discover her.
Dude, the animation's actually so good.
They're so good. We should just...
Hell yes. Did Mira just spin around on her weapon? That was fucking insane. That was badass.
진우를 놓친 그녀들은 본진에서 의기투합합니다.
They have their own fandom.
And it's the same freaking dance. The same freaking Zoe.
A diss track to expose the Saja boy and send those disgusting demons back to the depths where they belong!
Oh, these girls. Are we sure the two of them are demons, man?
Yes, come on.
I do like some of the animation in it.
I love
It's
it.
so funny.
Yeah. You can see the animators had so much fun drawing these different and ridiculous faces on Rumi, Zoe, and Mira.
다음은 더피와 서씨 파트입니다.
That's a special crow, man. That ain't a normal crow.
What?
He came and visited her.
Oh, remember he had a cat?
Yeah, I do remember.
Okay, it's gonna creepy cat.
Are you a tiger? A cat? Are you a cat? That is creepy ass. What the?
Oh, polite cat.
He's kind of cute.
He's not cute at all.
솔직히 너무 귀엽습니다.
That's not cute at all.
That's okay for you.
No, really. It's
Is it friendly or I'd be terrified.
okay. Just leave it.
The sound though. What is with this cat?
Jinu? Oh, meet you? I'm not gonna meet you. Who do you think you...
하지만 그녀는
I would.
Okay, Jinu. Let's meet.
그렇게 진우를 만나러 간 루미.
Damn! If he was real.
A mannequin.
I wasn't expecting a hug, but the mannequin was gonna be a fun icebreaker. I see I was wrong.
I like it.
I want to talk about those pants. Teddy bears and choo-choo trains?
Aww.
Really?
Pajamas.
Yeah, what the heck? What's he got about?
진우는 과거를 이야기하며 플러팅을
I
하지만
was extremely poor and miserable.
Ooh.
I'm nothing like you.
I'll be here when you're done pretending.
There won't be your next time!
Maybe she's denying her true potential.
그리고 첫 데이트를 하는 두 사람.
You could have picked somewhere nicer for a date.
Date? No, ew!
Is he playing?
That doesn't mean...
Oh.
Oh, you're so old.
This is strict...
Oh yeah, he's like a flipping vampire, bro.
Bracelet for your beautiful girlfriend.
We're not
no.
She's not even my type.
Excuse me? I'm everyone's type.
Damn, that backstory really made an impact on Rumi then.
Here, free one. Go find yourself a better boy. This one.
Oh.
It's the funny thing about hope. Nobody else gets to decide if you feel it. Your loss.
Oh.
Your loss.
그리고 티라노 빙의하는 외국인.
Ooh. She likes him a little older.
That cat's my favourite character.
Yeah, gorgeous.
마지막으로 프리 리액션입니다. 중간에 19금 댄스가 있습니다.
But since I've met you, and the more I talk to you, my voice has healed.
I try to hide, but something broke.
Yes.
I try to hide, but something broke.
It's because of the denial thing. Is that why she couldn't sing it then?
Because she was suffocating.
Yeah.
Wow.
Couldn't hit the notes, the words kept catching in my throat.
I love her voice. It's so mesmerizing.
You're no good, but you're good for me. I've been hoping to change.
This smells like a duet.
Yo, he's gonna join in, I swear.
Change, but I won't if you're not by my side. Why does it feel right every time I let you in? Why does it feel like
Ooh, I loved.
If he joins in this next verse.
you got a dark side? Guess you're not the only one. What if we both try fighting what we're running from?
That's the thing. They feel caged, both of them. Oh, I love this song. This might be my favorite song so far.
beautiful melody too.
Love perspective.
Bruh. You know when like you feel the music, you just want to tear? That's how I feel.
Time goes by. You're breaking through all the dark in me when I thought that nobody could.
Amazing. The two of them are perfect.
Nice.
I know, it's awesome, isn't it?
It's just easy when I'm with you.
그렇게 슬슬 시동을 걸더니
This one's my second favorite song from the movie.
Fly, babies, fly.
그리고 정국이 꼬시는 춤을 본 다른 외국인은
This is so good. I'm crying. This is so good.
I don't know, some skinny jeans. Those are tight. God damn.
Ooh. And embracing the marks with each other. You have to embrace all of yourself. Are they gonna kiss? A gentle touch with a thing that she feels ashamed of. She feels safe.
Can't fix it if we never face it. Let the past be the past till it's weightless.
Oh, come on, I really want this to work.
I don't hear his voice.
Oh, she healed you.
I'll make sure the Saja boys lose tomorrow.
영트의 리액션.
Ooh. I would definitely attend to their concerts. I love how it's so golden, of course. Ooh, I love this.
So K-pop. I don't know what is K-pop, but it's so, so good.
That's yo, she did it. Yo, she found her voice.
2차 재사용 규정을 지키기 위해 해설과 해석 나레이션이 있습니다.
Bobby? You have only 20 seconds!
He's done this on purpose.
Idiots.
Yes!
Oh no, fuck. Of course. Oh shit. Ooh, no.
The demons.
Yeah, that's not them, right?
Oh no, these are demons. These are demons. These are not Zoe and Mira.
루미의 재킷을 벗겨버린 악귀들.
Oh my gosh, they took off her jacket.
Oh no, her little demon shoulders are showing.
We see what you are. You're a demon.
No.
Oh, you're not a mistake. Oh shit.
Oh my god, they noticed. Would it have been better if she just told them? And instead of them finding out this way?
무대 밑으로 내려간 루미는 진짜 조이와 미라를 보게 됩니다.
No, poor Rumi.
That wasn't you?
Thank
Goodness.
Oh no, they're backing away. They're backing away. No.
Oh, thank goodness. Oh, thank goodness.
Oh no. What?
No.
Hiding this from us?
Jinu was supposed to. He was. Jinu?
Oh.
Working with him? No.
Dude, they can feel, but they feel betrayed.
I knew it was too good to be true.
No, don't say that. No.
I can still fix it!
Oh.
I can still fix it! Still fix it!
That's twice that's happened. Oh man.
No, they're gonna see her as a... No, that's fucked up. No.
Oh, poor Zoe. No, she.
그리고 자신을 배신한 진우를 찾아간 루미.
You didn't do this.
Bro, the Demon King's controlling him now.
How could you do this?
It was all a lie.
You were a good person and you still are.
I think they captured
Just made a
him.
mistake.
I left them! I left them. I left them.
But that's not all you are.
Guima corrupted you.
All we get to do is live with our pain, our misery.
Oh, DI. Roomie. Damn, this got intense. No, it's all gonna be open for the demons.
No.
Bro, we were so close, man. Oh no.
그렇게 모든 걸 포기한 루미는 셀린을 찾아가는데
What is she gonna do?
She's giving up.
Before I destroy what I swore to protect.
Do what you should have done.
No.
Before I destroy what I swore to protect.
Oh.
A long time ago.
Bullshit, bro. Bullshit.
What I swore to protect.
Look at her eyes.
That is so tragically medieval. The sense of honor.
The only way to protect the Hunmun.
Wow. Oh, I got chills.
If this is the Hunmun I'm supposed to protect, I'm glad to see it destroyed.
Oh. What, demons and humans coexisting? Oh my god.
I'm glad to see it destroyed.
Oh no.
She got banished.
Oh, no, she's controlled by the Demon King now?
다음은 사자 보이즈의 유아 아이돌 리액션입니다.
No. I'm gonna start a Sasha hate page. Boo Sasha.
And full demon outfits as well.
Damn.
음원 저작권이 날로 진화하여 리액터들의 원본 노래 파트가 통편집 수준이라 스킵이 심한 점 양해 바랍니다.
Bro, the Demon King's got a good taste in music, you gotta admit.
It's kind of catchy.
It is catchy. Right before our soul gets consumed by the Demon King.
Man, there's so many songs in the soundtrack that are fire, absolute fire.
Bro, this guy's good. He's a good rapper. Oh, they're walking through the fire.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah, because now he's there.
Yeah.
That shot. You looked amazing with that design.
Yo, you see in the back, the Demon King, man. That's all the...
그렇게 기마의 입으로 걸어가는 사람들.
Oh no, Zoe, don't walk into it.
Are you serious?
Oh, that's her vote. Whose side is she on? She's the last one. Our only hope.
Is that Roomie? Is that Roomie?
We are hunters, voices strong.
Oh, that goes so hard.
We are hunters, voices strong, slaying demons with our song. Fix the world and make it right when darkness finally meets the light.
Home is gone.
It is, so we can make a new one.
Oh. That was hot. That was pretty hot.
So we can make a new one.
There's still hope.
Oh, no.
Nothing but the truth now.
Bro, she's fully accepted herself now. This is it. Look at her marks, bro. They're so beautiful.
Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand.
I'm obsessed with her voice. Holy shit.
I tried to fix it. My head was twisted.
Even her friends are waking up now. Let's go.
So beautiful.
Yo, it's gonna wake them up.
Please.
I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back, but now I'm seeing all the beauty.
The music, the lyrics are connecting them all together.
My voice without the
That's the most important part. Before connecting with the fans, is connecting you together.
I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write. This is what it sounds like.
Oh, I love that.
This is beautiful. No!
꼭 노라고 말하는 외국인들.
No way.
Yo, the Hunter's taking the W, I'm saying.
let's
Yo,
go.
yo, they're all so badass, man, the way they walk.
Shattering the silence.
Oh, that shot is amazing. There's so many great shots in this movie. That's Adora, right? That was Shira aura right there. Oh, I fucking love her. And Mira, let's go. Light meets the dark. Oh, that's so beautiful. Yes, I love it because before in the songs before, you could see that Roomie was taking most of the lyrics, most of her voice, but now it's the three of them harmonizing together. It really feels like Huntrix coming together.
They're so in sync. Oh, the power of love and friendship and trust.
Look at the glow.
Yo, every...
Oh, look at their outfits are white.
Yeah. Dude, all their soul, man, it's resonating with them, man. Resonating with their soul.
It's so good. It's so catchy.
I like the quick outfit change as well. They're all like bright like angels, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yo, he's the last one they need to save.
Actually.
Yes. Yes. Come on, Jinu. Come on. You're still a good dude inside. Oh, shit.
Your voices.
Oh!
Your voices cannot defeat me.
Oh, she's got some power then.
Yeah, she has.
He's gonna help her. He's gonna help her. Is he not?
I think so.
No,
He's gonna sacrifice himself.
No.
그렇게 자신을 희생하는 진우.
Baby. Oh, you're so strong.
No.
Is he gonna sacrifice himself?
Oh, he's gonna sacrifice himself? Oh, no.
Jinu, no.
I'm sorry for everything.
No. I wanted to set you free.
Oh.
Free.
You did.
No, but not like
My
this.
soul back.
Not like this, though. Not like suckers. Oh, no.
I give it to you.
Oh. Whoa. No. Really? That's how he dies? They didn't even got to kiss.
And now, I give it to you.
I'll give you mine. Yo, he still had his soul, man, I'm saying. Bro, the Demon King's going down. You saw that look in her eyes, man. Oh, God, bro.
What?
Fuck yeah, Roomie. Yes. All of the souls coming together from every fan.
원본 영상에 스킵이 너무 많아 싱어롱을 같이 편집했습니다.
You're just my type. Oh well.
She's so sassy.
All of them.
Oh well.
I'm vibing. I'm vibing.
It is great, isn't it? It's so good.
Now they're really freaking golden and oh, they're glowing as hell. Hell yes.
Dude, this is their song, man. All of them.
Yeah, I'm so beautiful.
Yo, to accept themselves, man.
Light instead.
Yo, no matter how broken you think you are, you're still beautiful. Dude, they... Yo, they did it! And dude, look at her marks, look how beautiful they become, man, like celestial.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful aura right there.
Oh my god, they did it. He still has time to come back.
바로 목욕탕 리액션입니다.
Oh, they're at the bathhouse together.
Wow. I'm so happy you didn't like die. You guys just mean so much.
Oh. Now don't hide it, Mira. Ruby.
What? Ah!
Take down, motherfucker. 100 girls to the world. It's a takedown.
Damn. Yo, this movie went super fast.
I don't think you're ready for the takedown.
This movie was nearly perfect. This movie nearly had it all.
영트의 리액션.